Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're gonna install now the new product App2Car. This product allows you to install any application on your and watch it and use it on your car and your dashboard on your car. So right now we're gonna do a test on a Renault Trafic 2020, and we're gonna install Amazon Prime. We're gonna show you how it's installed already and ready to use. So we just plug this product on the USB port of the car, and we're gonna wait a few seconds until the product is identified by the car, and we'll be ready to show you how to watch movies. Or you can watch movies on Amazon. Very easy. I already downloaded the app. I already logged into the apps to just make these things faster, of course, the video faster. I don't want you to wait for me to put all my credentials on everything. So as you can see, it's identified. The product is showing on the screen. Say hello and says please, for your driving safety, please do not watch movies while you drive. We say okay, and then as I told you before, you need to first set up your wireless connectivity. You have to share your wireless connectivity from your mobile phone. So you go to wireless LAN and connect to your mobile device. So let me see if I can share this wireless. Now the wireless from my phone is now available. I just click on iPhone and it's connected now. And now I just go to more apps and simply go into Prime Video. That's already pre-installed. Well, I already installed it before the video, and here we go. It has my credentials, of course, and you can now if you want to watch this new movie, Ringland, for example, or Stand, new movies from Amazon Prime, just plug it in. We just click on Watch Now, and the device will connect to my mobile phone to get the wireless, of course, the video, and it will be able to watch it on your car, in the comfort of your car, with the sound coming from the speakers of your car. So you can use it while you wait for somebody to come out. You can watch movies. You don't have to be holding your phone in your hand. It's very easy to use, plug and play, and we're just waiting for the movie to upload right now through the wireless network. It's a little bit slow wireless network here in the area I am in, so hopefully in your area your mobile phone network is faster, and once ready it should come up very soon. There we go. I'm just gonna put some audio here. Yeah, as I said, there we go. And we are watching a movie from Amazon Prime on the screen. And of course you have access to move forward, backwards the video, stop it, and the quality is really good, and the sound coming from the speakers of your car. So this is how we can watch Amazon Prime videos on your car screen using the new App2Car adapter. If you want more information about this product, go to www.smartworldcompany.com, which is going to the main screen to show you the product. Thank you very much.